Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to track specialty crops in Harvest Profit. Today's example will be on navy beans. First, I'm going to go to my account settings page, then go to crops. I'm going to click new crop, and I'm going to type in navy beans. Now here is what you can apply to any type of specialty crop. If you're tracking things in pounds or bales or any type of unit other than bushels, then you'll want to enter in 1 pound per bushel. And then I'll set a budget price. So in this case, it'll be 40 cents without a basis. Now we won't have it connected to a futures market because in this case, navy beans is not connected to the futures market. Then click add this crop. Next, I'll go to the crop planner. I'll select the field I want to add navy beans to. I'll click navy beans from the drop down. Ensure that I have the correct entity selected. Then I'll go to yields. I'll go to navy beans. And here I'm going to enter in the pounds I have estimated per acre. So in this case, it'll be 1,800 pounds. And this will drive my production amount for my contracts. If I click on the navy beans, you'll see that I have 283,000 pounds in production. I can now add my contracts for whatever my price per pound actually is. Then you can look at your report for that field or that crop on the reports page. You'll see that production amount is showing up. Now, just keep in mind, as a reminder, this is the amount that you have put on the account settings page. So if I set it to 1 pound per bushel, this is how many pounds. Anywhere in the system, if it does show bushels, in this case, just refer to it as pounds if that's how you have it set up. If you have any questions on this, please email support@harvestprofit.com or click on the help button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and then click on the Ask tab, and you can send us an email directly from your account. Thanks.